Hello friends. Now today we see future tense. Future, do you know future means? We can't control. We can just say, tell about that action. But we can't control. We can't say definitely will complete in that situation. So that's a call future. Future has also four subkinds of the tense. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense, and simple and future perfect continuous tense. Friends, now we see only two subkinds of tense today: simple future tense and future continuous tense. On the blackboard, you can see here the form of simple future tense, the example of simple future tense, and the expressing of the simple future tense. Friends, the first form is here: subject plus shall oblique will plus simple form of the main verb. This is the formation of simple future tense. In that, the action of the subject in future situation. In future situation, both words indicated here, shall and will. Shall is used always for plural subject and will is used for only singular subject. That means our subject is also important here. If we use here simple, if we use here singular, we should use will. If we use here plural subject, we should use shall. Verb is here. Both verbs are auxiliary verbs, but both verbs indicate here the future action of the subject. Then next, the simple form of the main verb, root of the verb, expresses here the action of the subject. So what does he do there? Okay, well, the form and the expressing is here. This tense form denotes to talk about things which we can't control. Which we can't control, we just say, but not tell definitely will complete the action of the subject in future. We just say, but not control it. Okay, that's the formation of, that's the expressing of simple future tense. Friends, now we understand by taking some examples. What is the function of these words in this? Boys shall play on that ground now. Boys shall. Boys is a plural subject, not a single boy, many boy. Okay, friends, boys is a plural form. Then if our subject is plural, we should use shall. And the simple form of the verb, play. So in it, shall word expresses here the action of the subject is in future situation. The boys shall play on that ground now. मित्रांनो, मुले त्या मैदानावर आता खेळतील. मुले आता त्या मैदानावर खेळतील. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी सिच्युएशन जी आहे ती कंट्रोल मध्ये नाही. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन एक्झाम्पल, अ गर्ल इज सिंग्युलर. इफ अवर subject is singular, we should use will. Will word expresses here again future action of the subject. A girl will play on that ground now. आता एक मुलगी त्या मैदानावर खेळेल. I think India will win the match. I think India is singular, will. Will expresses here the future situation. What will do India? what will do India in future. So India will win the match. म्हणजे भारत, माझ्या विचाराने भारत मॅच जिंकेल. But not definitely he will win the match. Okay? Hello friends. Now we concentrate on the future continuous tense, the second subkind of the future tense. In this tense, the action is going on of the subject, just as present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we saw there the action of the subject is going on in present situation, just as in future condition the action is going on in future but not in control. We can't say definitely without intention the action is going on in the future situation. That tense expresses here by the forming subject plus shall oblique will plus be word. Friends, its most important thing is here. To show the action is going on, we should use in future continuous tense be word is here. And next, the present participle form of the main verb, which is expresses here the action is going on in future situation of the subject. By expressing here, this tends to talk about action which will be in progress, at a time in the future. मित्रांनो, प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स आणि फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये जवळपास कर्त्याची क्रिया ही सारखीच आहे, पण जी क्रिया प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये डेफिनेट ॲक्शन्स दर्शविते तशी डेफिनेट ॲक्शन ही फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये दर्शविल्या जात नाही. विदाउट इंटेन्शन इट कॅन बी एक्सप्रेसेस देअर, so that the action, the both actions in both tense, the action is going on. Okay, म्हणजे कर्त्याची क्रिया ही सुरू आहे. ठीक आहे. Through the examples we can also learn here. My brother will be watching news. My brother is a singular subject. Will is for only a singular subject. Will expresses here is the future situation. Be watching, the present participle form of the verb, म्हणजेच मूळ क्रियापदाचं जे चौथं रूप आहे ते चौथं रूप या ठिकाणी काय दर्शविते, या कर्त्याची क्रिया ही कशी आहे, इन प्रोग्रेस इज गोइंग टू, म्हणजे अजून ती संपलेली नाहीये, क्रिया ही सुरू आहे. Watching just expresses here the action of the subject is going on in which kind of the tense. So the will expresses here the tense form. Will expresses here the action is going on in future. In future. So as this way we can expresses our thoughts, our imaginations, our plan in future continuous tense, but that situation is not under control. Okay, through the second example is here, they shall be going to watch news. They plural, shall is a plural form of auxiliary verb, be plus the fourth form of the verb, that is called present participle, to watch news. Again, the present participle expresses here the action of the subject is going on. Shall word expresses here the action of the subject in future, and be word also expresses here the action of the subject is going on in future situation which is not under control. That is the way. Okay, my dear friends, now today we stop here about the future simple and future continuous tense. Just visit to my YouTube channel SOE, Soul of English, and link for assignment.